dreams. I think it's bad as such. Got his shoes out of line. Say it tomorrow. I think this shit is never gone. Easy make easy wake up on. Just give as much as you take. Forgive as much as you hate. Or get the fuck out. First in the crowd. Looking for old out. No, just take it slow. I'm feeling one out. Looking for old out. Mighty show me.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever it is you're watching this video. Those who are currently subscribed to my channel, thank you for coming to my channel and supporting my videos and watching more to come. Those who are new to my channel, welcome. And those who are seeing me for the first time, my name is Angelmika, aka Tamika. And if you like this video and want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you like, comment, and share. So let's begin. This is a video on the Black Friday haul that I have gotten on Black Friday at Ulta. Up for the past week, but I've been having video fails, so here we are. I have the Tarte Man Eater and the Smashbox Super Fan mascara. These were $10. They normally charge about between $20 to $24 a piece. They had Buxom and they had a couple other high-end mascaras range around $20 to $24 a piece. They were $10. They were selling out. They had sold out fast online, and they was also selling out fast in store. So I've been using this one for a whole week, and I am in love with it. I love it. Gives me the volume and the length of my eyelashes. I highly recommend these. If you ever catch them on sale again between now and Christmas, I recommend to go ahead and get them. And even for unfortunately, if you're not able to get them on sale, it's still worth the money to get them because it's a good quality mascara. We have the Ecotools Fan Favorite Beauty Kit, and this is maintained specifically for the cheeks and the eyebrows. So you have these fanned out brushes. This is for your highlighter. You can use it for the highlighter, your blush. This you can use to contour, to shape your eyebrows. And this you can use for your contour your cheeks as well. I can't even get it out right now. You can use it to contour your cheeks whether you're using contour or if you're using a blush. So this was $10. This is a value of $32. And for $10, that's not a bad deal. I have the Ulta Beauty 4-piece nail kit. This was $2.99 during the Black Friday sale. They also had two other ones. I cannot remember the name of the third one, but the second one is the marshmallow kit, and they had pretty nude marshmallow tone colors, which is very pretty, but I ended up giving that to my daughter. So unfortunately, I wouldn't be able to show it to you right now because she done took it out the packaging. So not bad. You got 4 pieces for $2.99. And it's a pretty cute stocking stuffer or something, or just something for yourself. We have the Ulta Fragrance for Her Favs. And you have an array of perfumes in the sample size. And this was $14.99. They also had one for men as well, and that was $14.99. That sold out quick. So this is what you get inside. You have the sample size and you have the atomizer. They also give you a $15 off coupon, so you can buy any of these perfumes listed in this gift set, and you will get $15 off $40 or more. You have the Clinique Happy, the Carolina Herrera Good Girl, Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, you have Juicy Couture, Lancome, and so forth. So not bad for $15. Plus, you get a $15 off coupon to get a full size of whichever one that is your absolute favorite. I have been seeing this on the YT, and I have always been wanting to get this for the longest. This is the Revlon Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler. This is like the go-to for us ladies that have 4C hair, something to straighten to give you that blowout in such a quicker time, because it takes me to blow out my natural hair. It can take me to an hour to an hour and a half, if not 2 hours, to detangle and blow out and straighten my hair. So this was you would normally see this for $44 to $40. This was on Black Friday for $20. As soon as I take these braids out, I cannot wait to try this out to see how it works and hide on my daughter's hair, because her hair is way thicker than mine, and it takes me about 2 hours to straighten her hair. So to get something that's going to cut the time, I am completely excited. Last but not least is the Yes to Coconut, and this is the moisturizing coconut oil stick. This is normally $10, and this was 50% off. I cannot speak today. This was 50% off, and it was $5. So it looks like a little deodorant roller stick. So you just push it up, pull it down, and you can use it to moisturize your face, your body. This is nice on the go if you don't want to use any lotion. You want to just pop this in your purse or your bag, and you just want to do like a quick touch up, or you know, say if you're at the gym and you're in the shower, this is a good to go to use if you like using coconut oil for your skin or your face. I have been using this for the past week for my face. I will exfoliate my face, clean it, cleanse it, face mask. As soon as I'm done, I would just dab it. I just hit myself in the face. I would dab it on my face, and then I would like massage it in a circular motion and put my primer on, my foundation, and go about my look of the day. So I would highly recommend this item here. If you're, like I said before, if you're unfortunate to get it on sale, it's still worth the buy for $10 still, and you get, you see how much product you get. Hopefully it don't break off, but you get a pretty decent amount, and I'm still going. So for $10, that's still not bad. So I want to say thank you. Stay tuned because there's a TJ Maxx haul coming up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.